Welcome to our Capstone demo. In this video, we'll show you two different patient scenarios, one with Salut, our product, and one without, and you can decide which one's better.
Okay, so Jacob?
Yeah, Jacob Jones.
How do you spell Jacob?
It's Jacob.
Okay, cool. So what are you in for today?
I've actually been coughing a lot. A little bit of shortness of breath as well.
So have you gotten a COVID test?
No, but I don't think it's COVID.
I think you should just get a test just to be sure.
Okay, yeah, I'll get a test.
Okay, so you were here last week?
No, actually, I'm pretty sure it was last month.
Never mind. Okay, so you were here last month.
Yeah.
Were you in here for that time?
It was the same issue. I just been, coughing a lot, having some shortness of breath.
Okay, so did you take the pills I prescribed?
I don't think they were pills. You just told me to get some over-the-counter stuff. So, yeah, I've been doing that, but it hasn't really been working.
Okay, so I think here's what I'll do. I'll prescribe you or write you up a prescription for promethazine. When's your next follow-up?
I'm not sure, actually.
Okay, well, you can just go to the front desk, and I'm sure my assistant will handle it.
As you can see, that wasn't a great experience. Dr. Day spent the majority of the time rummaging through his notes and couldn't remember important details about the patient. But now, let's see Salut in action. With Salut, Dr. Deus uses his encrypted and secure login in order to view his appointments for the day. He can then view his meeting notes from previous appointments and also search for the specific patient that he has, Jacob Jones. Clicking on that meeting note shows him a summary of that appointment as well as a full transcription of that interaction. Dr. Deus notices that the patient's come in before with a cough and decides to make it a point to question him about his smoking habits. This results in a much better appointment, as you'll see in the next video.
Hey, Jacob.
Hi, Dr. Deus. Salut.
Salut.
Start the appointment.
Appointment started.
Cool. So, Jacob, how have you been doing? I remember last time you came in, you told me you've had a cough.
Yeah, actually, the cough's been getting worse and worse, and that's kind of why I want to see you again. I took the over-the-counter medicine you suggested, but it hasn't really been working.
Okay. So I remember you told me that you've had a divorce and it's caused you to start smoking. How have you been coping?
Yeah, that's the main way I've been coping with the divorce, like by increasing my smoking, and I can't lie, it's been really rough. Divorces are hard.
Yeah, they are. I feel you. I've had my fair share. So have you been feeling anything other than a cough?
Now that you mention it, it has been a little bit hard for me to breathe, and I have been having some pain in my upper chest area.
Okay. So on a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
About a 4, maybe a 3 on a 10-point scale.
I see. Okay, thanks for describing your symptoms to me. I think we should schedule a follow-up just to make sure everything's okay in a couple of weeks. Do you know if you have an appointment?
I'm not sure, actually.
Okay, let's check. Salut, when is the next appointment for patient Jacob Jones?
Appointment with patient Jacob Jones on Wednesday, April 28, 2021, 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m.
Okay.
Yes, that's the one. Actually, would it be possible to change that date? I don't know if that works for me anymore.
Yeah, we can make a new one. So what time would work for you?
How about next Thursday?
Next Thursday? Okay. 8 to 8:30, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Create an appointment for patient Jacob Jones on April 15th from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m.
Appointment created. We will send a calendar invite to your email.
Great. So is there anything else you wanted to discuss with me today?
No, Dr. Deus. Thank you so much for listening. I feel like this appointment, you really listened to my concerns and listened to my experiences, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in a couple weeks.
Glad to hear it. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Cheers.
Salut and the appointment.
Our solution works using NLP, natural language processing. The device itself is a Raspberry Pi, outfitted with a microphone to capture user input and some LEDs to show feedback. In addition to transcribing the entire conversation, we use some custom machine learning models in order to summarize each patient interaction. The summarization model works by finding the most commonly used phrases and eliminating them. We hope it's evident how Salut enables better patient-doctor interaction through eliminating note-taking, providing doctors with key insights, and automating the process of scheduling. That concludes our presentation, and we're happy to take questions if you have them. Thank you for listening.